Okay, this is Chef Albert, and we're making boneless chops. They're gonna be made in a cast iron, and we're also making Asian stir fry again. That's in the other container. We also have rice cauliflower Spanish style, which is not bad, by the way. Now, these are the porks. I have to wear gloves, and we're gonna cure it. Break it down the tissue, and so it can be nice and tender. Because I like pork and beef tenderloin. I know they say tenderloin, but they really need to be skewered. So I'm skewering them. We're gonna add Himalaya pink salt and we got McCormick's. We're not going by brand. It's just what we can get because it's very hard to get stuff today, as you know already. So and use pink salt, okay. And then we're gonna use McCormick coarse black pepper. You can use whatever kind of pepper you want, but this is the best thing to use. Now we're not using any oil, so this is gonna cook. We have a hot cast iron. Let me see, that's single burner. So seasoned. Whoops. I want to use a pair of tongs. So already made two already, and they'll cook like so. Because remember, pork cooks differently. I don't know if I'll use this rice cauliflower. I'm gonna put. I'm gonna flip them over like so. I'm recording this in a. This is recording it. I'm recording in 4K, okay? But I use 10-bit color, and I'm also recording in HDR 10, but 10 plus. Right now at this time, YouTube don't support the 10 plus, but it does support the 10. So we're gonna get, so you can see the true colors, how food should really look like. Ooh, okay. All right. These were product of U.S. Okay. They're tenderloin. They're boneless. There's no bone in there. I mean, you can use anything you want, basically. So you want the pork cook right. Now I'm gonna have to put the fan on, otherwise we'll have a smoky kitchen. Now you could put anything you want on this. You can put Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, hot pepper, whatever you want. Stuff that I want to try. Let's cook this early. So we're gonna try bird's eyes. Looks like that. We're not promoting anybody. Oh, that's what I'm using. If you got a microwave, it can cook in the bag. If you don't have a microwave, I see it's pre-seasoned already. Use a little bit of that. I'm going to turn this on high. We're going to add some oil, olive oil. Now we could add olive oil to this to give it an extra flavor. I'm going to turn this fire down a little bit. So on this one, I'm going to add some oil. Alright, so that's about it. I don't want these to overcook. Now, I could add oil to these. Turn them down a little bit. Okay, they're ready. Best way is to put that cast iron so it's so hot it's inside the oven. If you don't have no place else to put it. Of course you can put cold water on it, but we don't need to do that. Okay, those are cooked. We're just ready on these two items here. So let's come a little closer. Focus on these. Okay, this is cooked. Looks like that. Has its own juice. So that can turn off that. This one shouldn't take that long to cook. So we can turn down to medium. And that's pretty much it. So this is the cauliflower. But we don't want to burn that, so we're going to go down to low. Make sure that stove is off. That noise you hear. That should actually move that. This goes. Okay, this stuff is cooked. We're just heating it up. Okay, that's it. All the food is cooked. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this, hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up. Okay. Thanks a lot. Oh, yeah. Thumbs up. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.